Hello my YouTube friends! Today I want to show you how to add chat to your live stream overlays easily without having to bother with Streamlabs or StreamElements chat features that never really seem to work right anyways. I usually use Twidget and I love it, but it's not available on a Mac. What I'm going to show you today is super easy and it's going to work on a Mac or any other platform. So let's get to it! A video about live streaming tools wouldn't be complete without today's sponsor, Envato Placeit. I use Placeit in every live stream for my wait screen, my countdown timer, my branding bumper, as well as my logo and my channel banners, and even some of the overlay assets. They have everything a streamer could need all in one place. Now I created my logo in just a few minutes by choosing from one of the designs and then completely customizing everything from the color graphics and placement to the text and the fonts. And that logo can easily be added to all the videos that you can build and use in all kinds of different content that you might create for YouTube, like live or recorded. I absolutely love Envato Placeit and you will too. Click the link in the description below and check it out for yourself. Supporting the sponsors that support this channel is a great way to help me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. Now let's get into how we put the chat in our overlay in OBS. We're gonna click the plus. I'm gonna go to window capture in this case. Next, what we're gonna do is go into our YouTube studio and we wanna go ahead and pop out our chat right here. So we have the chat in a separate window and we can just size it up as to how we want it to look on our stream. Kind of give it the relative shape that we're looking for, and that looks pretty good. I have my chat undocked, so why not use it? We're gonna go to the YouTube live chat, bada bing, smacko. Right there. Now it's in my OBS. All I have to do is hold down the Alt key, modify it up so we remove this stuff. And now we have a nifty little chat overlay. Now I want to show you a really cool tool that you can use with your chat overlays if you do them like this in the newest version of OBS. We can right click on our chat and we can go to blend mode. So let's select the screen blend mode because I think this is the one most people are going to use. We'll move this over here on the right and then I'm going to click the plus and just add a camera in here real quick. And we'll just use the camera that's already here. And there we go. Now I'm going to move this below our window and you can see that using the screen makes it see-through. So we can try some other blend modes here and you can mess around with these to get the look that you want. And you can also add backgrounds behind them like a white screen or any other screen to make them look exactly how you want. So mess around with these blend modes over here and you're going to be able to do some really cool things just by capturing your chat window. And this removes all of the big pain in the butt stuff that you have to go through to use Streamlabs or StreamElements to put your chat in here when it never really seems to work the way you want it to work anyways, and half the time it doesn't show up. This is an easy solution for that. Now if you use a PC, there is a really cool app that's going to allow you to display individual chats on your live stream like a lower third. It's free as well, so if you want to know more, you should check this video out. Big thanks to today's sponsor, Envato Placeit. You can find links to Envato Placeit and all the other sponsors that support this channel in the description below under the heading Sponsors. Supporting the sponsors that help keep the lights on here in the studio is a great way to ensure I can continue to make content that helps you. And I couldn't possibly do this without them or you. So thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.